I'm Peter Newman. I'm the Technical Director at Brillopak. We design and manufacture pick and place systems. We have a core range of products, all based on our UniPAKer, which is Delta robots. We do automated end-of-line systems, crate handling, crate dispensing, palletizing, and bay alarm closing. Anything to do with pick and place is what Brillopak is about. We've been working with OMRON for about 10 years. We started using their SysMac. We've then gone on to use more of their PLCs, HMI screens. We use their servo motors, and we currently use their robots and some of their cobots as well.
I'm Andrew Shelley from OMRON. I'm the Key Account Manager for Food and Commodities. I've been working, and OMRON has been working with Brillopak, developing machines ongoing, and with the introduction of different components and robotics available, we've come up with a fully functioning design with the P160. So the P160 is a fully automated pick and place machine. It was designed in mind of being able to pick multiple products in different SKUs and different packaging environments. It's able to pick into IFCO trays, as well as newly designed, able to pick into boxes.
Customers like it because we can do the patterns they want. The supermarkets dictate to them that they want a different pattern, different packaging. We can do remote access to our machines so that we can change patterns from the factory. We also teach the customers how to do their own patterns, recipes. It's fairly flexible. We can take crates in one end, products in one end, or we can change it. We can have crates in the other end. It's a kind of modular system. We do a single cell, or we put two together, make a double cell.
The OMRON technology that was designed with this machine in mind was the Hornet 4-axis Delta. The whole concept of this machine was designed with SysMac platform in mind, so everything from robot to sensor is seamlessly integrated.
We do a small vision system that does for finding the center of the bag and the angle. So if the products come in randomly, we can then pick them up and put them in the right pattern so that it looks nice in a supermarket crate. We also offer OCR type functions where we can look at date codes on the packs. We can look at the packaging to check the packaging is right for that recipe they've chosen. And with the Delta robot, it allows us to select which packs we pick. If the pack is wrong, we can leave it. We can also signal back to the customer. If you get 3 packs in a row that are wrong, then we stop the line. It gives feedback to the customers, and a lot of them are now buying this remote service because it allows them to be flexible and react to problems quickly.